Bless you.
What's that taste like?
Hi. Are you playing with your friend?
What can you do with plain white rice? You pour chunky sirloin burger soup over it. You can do dinner. 4 minutes, around $4. Campbell's Chunky. It's amazing what soup can do.
So I woke up really early on a Saturday morning at about 5 a.m. I got on my bike and rode 80 miles to the Trevani factory just so that I could see where my favorite yogurt's made. And I got lost a few times.
Sir, up the road, make a big right at the tree there down there. No, it's a left. Hey, those are some fancy pants.
I finally made it to the Trevani factory. This is awesome. It was totally awesome. That's what we do for love, people.
Chobani, rich and creamy yogurt with only natural ingredients. Share your story at Chobani.com.
Can a little bowl of cereal change your life? I think it can. One of the challenges for Kayla being gluten-free is actually finding choices the whole family will love. And then we discovered Chex cereals. 5 flavors of Chex are gluten-free, including the honey nut flavor, and that's amazing to a mom like me. As a parent, you don't want to have to tell your kids no all the time. It's nice